Hey everyone! Take out your math progress books. We're on page 112 for today. Our lesson is multiplying decimals to the hundredths, which is easy stuff. We all know how to do this, but let me take you through those steps so we all remember. Step 1. You do not, I repeat, do not have to line up the decimal. If it happens because of the numbers, like if it just happens when you're setting it up, that's fine. But you don't have to line them up. That is the main difference with adding and subtracting decimals and multiplying and dividing. You don't have to worry about that stuff. And then step 2, you just, I'm going to pretend that you guys are saying it at home. Do it! You just do it. So, let's do our first problem. At the very top of page 112, Sarah has 2 bags of dried fruit. Each bag weighs 0.83 ounces. How many ounces of dried fruit does Sarah have in all? So we know that this is multiplication. So I've already set it up for you. Can you guys see it? Yeah, you can. So we have 0.83 times 2. So I put the number that had the most digits. And remember, 2, it would look like that. But I don't have to worry about lining up the decimals. So then I just do it the regular way. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus 1, 1. And then our final step, step 3, count the, what guys? The place values. And add the decimal to your final answer. So let's do that. 1, 2. 1, 2. And it gives us the final answer of 1.66. Now, we do have some models, and if you find the models helpful, then do it with the models. It's a good visual, but you guys already know, I think this is a much easier way because you're just doing it. And I think that's easier for most of us. Now, you guys are going to be doing page 115. I want you to look it over right now. Pause it, and I'm gonna have this with a few examples. Okay, you should have had a chance to look at the problems now. So I wrote a few up here on the board. Number 1. It's telling you to use the model, which you totally can if you want because you do see the visuals way better. But the way we do it usually in class is the number with the most digits goes up on top and then you put the next number. So step 1, I didn't have to line up the decimals. I didn't do it. There's no the decimal would be here, but I didn't line them up because I'm just confused myself. And then you just do it. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. Now, is my answer 42? No, it is not because I didn't do step 3, which I don't know if you guys can see because there's a little bit of a glare. Yeah, that glare isn't going away, guys. But, like it says, count the place values and add the decimal to your final answer. So, just gotta count the place values. So easy. 1, that's it. And then I just add it to my product. 1. So my answer is 4.2. Now, let's do this next one. This is number 2. 4 times 3, 12. Carry the 1. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 1, 29. We know we cross this out. We erase this. What do we add here? A 0. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 7, 7. You have to add. Then you just 2 plus 0. 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. Am I done? Is my answer 1022? No, it is not. You better count those spaces. Come on. 1, 2. 1, 2. My answer is 10.22. So easy. So, what I will be checking that you will be submitting before 4 o'clock are pages 116 to 119. we do have some word problems, so I expect you guys to use what? What? Cubes. You gotta use cubes. And please show your work, because if I don't see work on your paper, I'm gonna assume that you use a calculator. And I'm gonna give you 0. So don't do that. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. You can message me, and good luck.